Hello and welcome to a quick update video about Bloktopia. Bloktopia has been going up massively since my first video, and now we are retracing, but that retracement is normal. I mean, in my view, obviously I could be wrong here, but in my view that is a completely normal retracement, a pullback back to the trend line. You can see the orange ascending trend line there on the chart. That is just a pullback to a trend line in my view. Yes, if we drop below the trend line, that might be a little bit more worrying, but even then, if we look at the Fibonacci retracement levels, I mean, we came all the way up to nearly 18 cents. And that was all the way on the back of the major announcement by Facebook or Meta. And that obviously helped to pump it. The trouble is with these things, you never know when the pump is over. Obviously, it was over up there for the moment. And now we're retracing, just cooling down. Because as I showed you even this morning in the video or yesterday, on the daily, we were still so much overbought. So we have to retrace. That is healthy, believe it or not, it is healthy. Yes, of course, people always love to see prices going up all the time. It's just not reality. And these moments here, I oftentimes use to shake out the weak hands. So yeah, in my view, there is nothing else than a pullback to a ascending trend line. We are still in an uptrend, of course. And the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level here at 9.3 cents hasn't even been reached. I think, as I said, you know, today we could come down to the 10-cent level. Now we already touched 10.4 cents. I think we could come down even to that 10-cent orange trend line. If we drop below that, we could come down to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level at 9.3 cents. If we lose that, we could come down to the golden pocket at 7.3 cents, which is also above that previous high. Now, if we drop below that, I would really get a little bit worried, I must say. But I still wouldn't really worry a lot, because I believe in the potential of that project, and I believe in the next few days or weeks a lot of partners will be announced. I mean, I heard about a Binance listing. I don't know how how serious that was, that comment or that source, if you can really take it seriously, but it doesn't matter. I think sooner or later that will probably happen. If you join their Telegram channel, there is so much activity there. I mean, they now launch all these stake pools, which is very exciting. That might affect the price a little bit as well. But I think overall, this is just a pullback to a trend line, and we will see continuation of the uptrend very soon. What we can see here on the, and let's start maybe on the hourly, and we work our way up on the hourly. We can already see that this downtrend is slowing down. Well, we had a bearish divergence here on the hourly. From here where we had higher, where we made higher highs. On the RSI, however, we made lower highs. That was the first indicator that price might be dropping. Since then, the price has been doing what the RSI has been doing, or the other way around. But now on the 1 hour chart, we have actually seen, or it could potentially be, that the RSI is turning around here. For the first time, we see a bullish divergence on the RSI, which is an indicator that, yeah, we could very soon see a turnaround here and move again to the upside. So first of all, we have on the 1 hour chart a bullish divergence, which is a good sign. In the 4 hour chart, we don't quite have that yet. However, we have obviously also had, we were in the overbought range, have now worked our way through back into the neutral level, I would say, yeah, just below the 50 line. Maybe we'll get a turnaround here on the 4 hour chart, but certainly very important that we brought all of that down, which is important, which is healthy, which needs to happen, because from here, as we did here, we pretty much found support here at a very similar level as we did back here on the 17th of October, a little bit higher now, so maybe we can drop a little bit more. And that is basically, from here, we can then continue to move up further. And on the daily chart, let's take a look on the daily. That is also why I say we could actually drop down a little bit more, maybe to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, and it is just what it is. I mean, look on the daily chart, how bullish that chart looks. That drop is actually nothing. We have moved up so much that this is just normal. And look on the RSI, we throughout the whole history of that chart, we've always been in the overbought range. I mean, the market can generally, in certain conditions, the market can hold that, but not forever. So at a certain point, there will be a retracement, and that could happen. That can happen now. Maybe we give it another go, and then a major retracement will happen. But that is just, we have moved up so much in such a short period of time that at some point, that is just normal. So just try to, I can only say what I do. I just emotionally detach myself from that. If I believe in a project, I'm not really worried about these price drops. Yes, I observe them, and I try to take action when it's getting unacceptable, but at the moment this is totally normal and it's actually healthy. I mean, I'm looking forward now for a potential buying opportunity. Maybe if we touch that orange trend line, maybe if we come to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, these are important levels where I think we could find a bounce back to the upside, especially as we saw on the 1 hour chart, that bullish divergence. On the 4 hour, we're back in the neutral. Here on the daily, yes, we are still overbought, which is why I think we could see a little bit more of a retracement. The thing is, with such a small cap crypto, major announcements like new partnerships and everything, they can really boost the price. So if you get another exchange or something announced or some other exciting partner, that will really push the price once more. And I think the next pump could be big. And I think it's going well with that project. Honestly, I think it's going really well. And looking forward to all their further announcements and news. There's something going on their Telegram pretty much every day or every other day. Now they're very busy with setting up those stake pools, and yeah, it's very interesting, certainly. Yeah, so yeah, I'm looking forward to what's going on and what is going to happen with that project. So, you know, it's just what it is. Just try to accept that we have these price drops and try to see them. If you wanted to get into into Block all the time, that might now be the possibility. Again, no financial advice. I can only tell you, yeah, basically what I see in the charts. I don't know what that is not moving here at the moment. Doesn't matter. So I can only tell you what I see in the charts. And yeah, hope you liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.